Hi, my name is Emma. The topic I've chosen is the declining bee population and its effect on agriculture and food production. Bees have been declining at an alarming rate. Spivak states in her TED Talk that within the United States alone, 2.5 million honeybees have been lost between 1945 and 2007. This is the equivalent to the total population of Western Australia in June 2015, according to the Australian Bureau of Statistics. The reason I have chosen this topic specifically is due to an interest in environmental sustainability. Sustainability is usually associated with renewable resources such as sustainable forests. However, the rapid decline of bees hugely impacts the environment and resources such as food and materials. According to ASEAN and Hardia, 90% of approximately 250,000 species depend on pollination. These include crops such as cotton, carrot, lettuce, pumpkin, and strawberries. To research the decline of bees, I initially looked at Google Scholar and the Curtin Library. However, I was only able to locate limited resources on my topic. To assist in my research, I used an ordinary Google search, which naturally produced quite a number of results. To ensure the validity of the websites I was reviewing, I read through them carefully, looking out for key items such as web addresses being trustworthy, such as .gov, also their list of references given, and to see if the article was biased in any way. I use general articles to gain a basic understanding of the topic chosen and use this information to form focus points that were useful in furthering my research. These focus points allowed me to narrow my search and the phrases that I was using in my various search engines. So, how quickly are bees declining? Grossman has stated that beekeepers in both the United States and Europe have been reporting annual hive losses of approximately 30% since 2003. Crops that rely on pollination to germinate include apples, beans, cotton, carrots, cacao, cauliflower, lettuce, pumpkin, and strawberries. When subpar pollination is given due to a lack of bees, the result is deformed produce. Declining bee population is a result of different factors, one being the use of pesticides. Bees that feed on plants that have been sprayed with pesticides, according to Spivak, develop side effects such as sensory loss, their sense of direction is compromised, and their ability to locate food is also damaged. Habitat fragmentation is another reason that the bee population is declining. The bees' natural habitat, as reported by the article Habitat Fragmentation, are being transformed into highways and suburbs, isolating areas of land that bees would travel across to find food, mates, and make new colonies. The varroa mite was first discovered in 1987. These parasitic mites affect bees by attaching to a bee, which makes them sick along with the transmission of diseases. Modified pesticides have proven useful in the combat of the varroa mite within the beehive. However, according to Hamilton's article, this pesticide has weakened the bee's natural defense and immune system to battle the mite and other diseases. So what can be done to protect against further declining of the bee population? Much more research needs to go into the cause of bee declines and to help stop the decline and rejuvenate the bee population. If this is not done before bees become an endangered species, then mankind could be under a lot of stress to find a solution and act before it's too late. Albert Einstein has predicted that humans will not survive 5 years past the extinction of bees. The issue of declining bees and their effects would be best suited to a Year 6 class, as it fits within the curriculum objective. The growth and survival of living things are affected by physical conditions of their environment. This would show students that a number of different factors affect plants and animals, and if we lose one, then it could have a detrimental effect across a wide range of species.